Bobsi yma, dwi'n nôl yn chwarae Forza ac wedi eisiau fyswn i'n mynd i'r auto show. So, di am mynd i'r auto show rwan ac mynd i weld y ceir. So, dwi anna rhywbeth reit gywir. Mynd i'r auto show. O, dwi'n meddwl bod fi gofyn i un street race cyn mynd i'r auto show. O na, dwi'n eisiau mynd i'r erbyn Ferrarians. Bad time, oce. Droliawd a edrych ar i'w gar. Reit hawdd. Dyma ni wneud hwn y tro i fi cael street racing. Gobeithio fod na'n gallu street racing. Dwi'n gallu street racing. Dwi'n rili eisiau street racing yma rwan. Oce. Whoopsies. Da i fynd i, a dweud y gwir, na i byd i hwn yn fama. Festival Cross Country. Oce, byd i hwn. Faint o bres i cael am hwnna. Hwnna'n rhaid dda. Faint o bres i cael am hwnna'n dda. Faint o bres. A am hwn felly. So, troi rownd. Ac awn ni syth ymlaen. Oce, dwi'n mynd i'r lle dwi'n rasio ac dwi am rasio yna.
Turn right.
Ia, mae dal ei bwydwad ydi llais reit dda. Ymlaen i fama. Go. Na. Na, dwi'n eisiau mynd i cross. Dwi'n eisiau mynd i cross country. No. Dwi'n neud o rwan. Dwi'n gorfod.
Alright, so you're jumping in at the deep end. Your first championship race and also our first cross-country event of the summer. This is a brand new event at Horizon. You're taking on all kinds of terrain, so keep your eyes on the next checkpoint and focus.
Okay. Come on. Please, yeah, cross country. Dwi'n meddwl pan mae Forza yn dweud. Dyna beth mae Forza wedi cael ei gwybod. I beth sy'n siŵr arwyddion troi yn ganol y car. Dwi'n olaf. Dwi'n eisiau colles. Dwi'n cael lot o bres. Whoopsie. dwi'n gallu... O, na,
Hold up, mate. You've missed a checkpoint. Hold up, mate. You've missed a checkpoint.
Is it? Oh, yeah, listen into the jackets. Go, go, go. Okay, dwi 'di golli. Na, quit. Okay, dwi'n quit. Oherwydd dwi'n dim yn street. Dwi jyst eisiau street race. Dwi'n cael street race. Dwi'n cael street race. Na I just gyrru o gwmpas yn y fideo yma, dwi'n meddwl. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, Sabrina, I'm just welcome. So, okay, come on. Come on. Aha. Oh. Come on. Dwi'n rili'n lôn bach yn fanna. Dwi'n cynnig di hwn. Dwi jyst yn mynd yn gall ar y fan. O, dwi'n gofyn am hwyl. O, boys, ti'n iawn? Ti'n iawn? No, mae'n licio Gael chwarae bumping cars. Please, dwi eisiau chwarae bumping cars. mewn I chdi. Bumping car. Come on.
Welcome back. It is time for your Horizon Pulse weather
Ui, Steliad, mae'n gymryd I fynd I
sunny day at the festival. The mercury is sitting just below 29 degrees centigrade. Translation for our American listeners, that is hot. The perfect day for a road trip.
Ja, met hwyl. Ti'n boring, dwi. It's fun. Rocket. Ti'n mynd fan boi.
You've earned a
O,
skill
dwi eisiau
point.
skill point, oce. Oce, so. Gen I ddigon I gael rhywbeth. Oce. Mae'n meddwl sgen I ddim skill points. Faint mae'n angosio? 2. Pero dwi wedi bod I fan o fan. Cool! Ia, fynd I fan o. Cool. Cool. Dwi just yn mynd Ooh, next people to mama. Since you mean the same. Oh.
Every time you level up,
Yay! One of the Horizon wheel spin. Please roll lots of brace I mi. Please. 16? Iawn, de. O'n i'n gobeithio cael fatha 60 neu beth. Yay. Okay. Cool. Okay, dwi just mynd I fanna ag bob yma. Dwi mynd I malu XP bod arall. XP bod.
turn around when it is safe.
Okay, troi. Oh, jump. Da one. Da one boy. Ooh, oh, dwi eisiau neud na. Oh, I didn't
400 meters, turn left.
Okay, dwi'n cofio yma fan eto. Dwi'n yma fan eto. Dwi'n bod yn y blaen.
Turn left.
Oh yes, cross country. Ito yung real cross country. Kailangan international. Yeah, paano makaka-race ang festival? I think things like that have vertical jumps and
You leveled up.
wheel spin. What? Oh, cool. Okay, the Galinadas. Bishop. I'm a fast travel boat and that's another. I'm telling you now. Wait. Pass out. Hindi lang yung fast travel boat na. XP, but I want to keep yeah, so we mana XP ba daras mana? Kaya do mean daras XP ba dala? So mana XP ba daras mana?
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
Oops. Okay.
Recalculating route.
Oh, yeah. You know what's wrong. Listen, be it.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
I know I'm saying Não vou dizer até que não me será na vítima. Ana vítima está na chuva da vai te carar.